The human body possesses a sophisticated repair mechanism, adult stem cells. These undifferentiated cells, primarily located in the bone marrow, have the ability to transform into various cell types, playing a crucial role in tissue regeneration and organ repair. Scientific research over the past few decades has revealed that adult stem cells are not only essential for healing wounds and regenerating tissues, but also for maintaining overall homeostasis. However, studies show that after the age of 30, the number of circulating adult stem cells decreases significantly. This decline reduces the body's capacity to repair itself, contributing to tissue degeneration and the early onset of age-related conditions. Emerging research has highlighted the potential of Aphanizomenon flos-aquae, or AFA, a nutrient-dense species of blue-green algae. Studies have demonstrated that AFA can trigger the release of adult stem cells from bone marrow, increasing the number of circulating stem cells. This process enhances the body's natural ability to regenerate tissues and restore cellular health. By supporting stem cell mobilization, AFA plays a role in promoting faster tissue repair, reinforcing immune response, and maintaining physiological balance. StemGenix integrates AFA's unique properties to support adult stem cell activity. Our formula works in harmony with your body's innate repair systems, aiming to boost stem cell circulation and enhance cellular regeneration. By nourishing your body at the cellular level, StemGenix doesn't just address surface-level health, it works from within, helping to restore tissue integrity, strengthen immune response, and support overall vitality. StemGenix is more than a supplement. It's a bridge between cutting-edge science and the body's natural ability to heal and renew. Explore the science of stem cells and regeneration with StemGenix. Unlock your body's full potential.